can see the numbers. So this is how we made it. And yes, we have all of the things, but normally we can make it. So we didn't make this now, so because that's stupid. How can you make it that fast? And these popping things, I really love them. I just love this. Guess where's the battery? You're right, it's in this one. Because how can I fit in a motor? It's too small.